The person who invented this windmill trap is he's a genius. It can actually make the fish automatically fish into the basin. And the bearded brother in front of you is this trap. Well, maker. He first used wood. A windmill stands in the river. Then come to the shore again. Tie the sticks with a rope. You may not know, what does it do for him to do this? And when you watch the whole production process, you know how dense Brother Beard is. Soon a shipping belt was made. And he put the belt over the beam. It connects the head and the tail. Now just add another one. The wood trap is basically complete. Brother Beard also tested it again. The effect is very good. So how can this trap not be equal to? This next one is crucial. Brother Beard tied the prepared iron nets for transportation. Input banned, so you can bite the fish in the water into the net pocket. Then the fish can be smoothly put into the pot. I have two. Brother Beard really takes off to sets of 3 sets of clothes. There is still a set. And want to catch fish? Bait is indispensable. Beard sprinkles the dough around the trap again. When everything is ready, the rest is up to time. 2 hours later, you can see a fish getting into the net pocket. Although he is still struggling, but in the end, it landed accurately in the basin. Soon another fish entered the net pocket. Fell into the basin again. As long as there are fish around the trap, there will be a steady stream of fish falling into the basin. Brother Beard, this trap is really on the duck's head. Frogs are quack.